Hello everybody, don't you love my rooster tail? I'm Reed and this is Reed's Beauty Trip and we are going to do my Glossybox unboxing. Okay, I just want to say I love the top of this box. And I have a friend, my beautiful diva. I want to fill another box full of stuff and fill this box because I just think she needs this box. Because I'm just loving, I just love it. So, let's get started. I usually, I forget and I'll put it with the black box. I'm like, oh, there's a box inside the box. Duh. It's like, oh, it's the birthday edition. That's why. But I'm loving the Chevron ribbons. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This box is packed. Woohoo. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday, Glossybox. And I am benefiting from this. So, okay, so this, I can't use, neither can the hubby. It is a tingle teaser. That's going to have to go in a giveaway. Because neither one of us have hair to detangle. Not anymore. So, but let's see, it goes for, this is the, it says Sweet Lilac Edition, but that's pink, so I don't think that's Sweet Lilac. Yeah, we so this one, actually I have a friend who has a little girl that's going back to school, so I'm going to see if she wants it. The Tingle Teaser, it goes for $12 in store and stuff, and I've seen it. I do love the little, it's got the little British flag in the back and stuff, and it's like sold in about, I don't know, 9-10 different countries, so that is, it's the cult classic loved by everyone, from busy moms to pro hairdressers. I've never seen a pro hairdresser use it, but what the hey. Here we go, we got the Jecca Block Glow Drops. It's in a tube, it's not in the bottle. Papa's under puppy attack. So this is a highlighter primer. So it is a radiance primer and stuff like that. I've not ever heard of Jecca Block. So it retails for $20. It says bring out your inner glow with this primer from gender-free, oh good lord, gender-free beauty brand Jecca Block. Vegan friendly, your skin will be hydrated and radiant as you prep your makeup routine or dot on top of your base as a highlighter. So it's multi-purpose. Ooh, and then Glossybox got their own skincare, so eye boost cream. Never have too much eye cream. So this retails for subscribers, it's $18. For non-subscribers, it's $23. So we'll have to try this out, so people that are non-subscribers. So this is your first chance to try our brand new skincare range. Combination of elderflower, eye bright, and red seaweed. Make sure you say red seaweed, which is interesting because red seaweed is not a good product in the ocean. It multiplies really quick and it chokes out a lot of sea life. So I'm really surprised that they're, but I guess if they're harvesting it, it's not reproducing and choking out the wildlife in the ocean. So it says it helps reduce eye bags and adds some brightness. Some brightness. I just want to see, that's what they say. Then the next one we have Rebels Refinery. Never heard of them either. I always love when there's new companies out there. This is a lip balm. And it is a natural lip balm in wild berry. Oh no. Mine says coconut lime, but this says wild berry. So I got wild berry, but my little thingy says coconut lime. It retails for $7. Always apply post-cleansing. So it's like after you clean your face and all that. So they're recommending this almost like nighttime. Interesting. I'm not opening it just in case I don't keep it. So natural lip balm has the highest quality of coconut and sweet almond oils. Vitamin E. It's an adorable addition to your handbag. Do you know how fast that would be like dirty in the bottom of my handbag because it's a jelly type feel? Then we have a little sample Snowberry Youth Renewing Face Serum. This is out of New Zealand. This full size, $72. I'll stick with the little pack. This multifunctional super serum is designed to plump skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So, serums are the second to last step in most beauty routines. True. So they're after your facial scrubs or whatever, before your moisturizers. Duh. Okay, you should know that, but if you've been watching me, but still. This one it's interesting. It's got E-Prolex, which must be one of their words. I've not heard of it. So sometimes with skincare companies, they create words. They copyright words. Soap and Glory, if you ever look them, they are like the pro of making up fun words. So it says apply sparingly, add twice daily. For best results, apply other skincare after 5 minutes. So basically, put this on, socialize, drink a cup of coffee, something along those lines, and then put your other skincare on. That's what I got out of this. Then we got, there's a new flavor. Psst, which I'm still using another that I haven't used up yet. Oh, see? I haven't even finished this one. This is the original. I don't even want to know how long I've had that. Now I got this pink dry shoe. Pink, clay, and peppermint. I don't smell the peppermint. I smell aerosol. So this retails for $2.99. It's the Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. So this is perfect for the women on the go, or men. Hello. I saved these when my daughter would go camping, so she would have dry shampoo when they go camping and stuff. So this one is for volume. Flip your hair upside down. So like hairspray. Just saying, you flipped your hair upside down, sprayed it, let it dry. Got some volume. So that is what's in my box. They are showing also their new skincare line, so they have some information about their new skincare line. And since my nickname and they're also doing the advent calendar this year, so you have to invest in it around September 24th. So we have about 6 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. So yeah, so they have some interesting stuff in there. I will have to look into it and see if it's something, because like I said, I have friends that call me the skincare queen or skincare bestie. So hopefully, if there's anything you guys want me to try out, and don't say the hairbrush, just let me know, because I know who you are that will say the hairbrush. I'm just saying. But I love this box. This is so going to my friend Diva, because I feel like she needs this in her life. So I'll fill it full of stuff and send it to her soon. So I just did it, so I need to give her a break first. But this is a Diva box. I'm just saying. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I have so much on my list today, so I gotta go. And I hope, like I said, you enjoyed this. If you do, please comment below, thumbs up, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. I'm just really liking this box. This was like one of the best things out of it. Honestly. That sounds bad. But yeah, we'll try the glow drops, definitely. We'll try the eye serum. See if it gives me some brightness. I do like this. It says some brightness. Not brightening, some. But love you all. I will talk to you soon.